Hi class, welcome to week 4. Before we start talking about what we're going to do in week 4, I want to recap with week 3. And first of all, I want to give everyone big kudos for such a great discussion board this week. Everyone got in there and was doing their 2 responses and giving some good examples of study habits and best practices for study habits. Particularly like the resource that Amarillo shared with us, the book about developing habits. If you guys have time, maybe you can look that up, and it's a free download. It's a really good resource for how to develop habits. Great job, Savon and Andrea, Jasmine, Deidre, Jamie and Melody. You guys did a great job in your responses to one another. Everyone did a great job. So good work. I noticed when I was grading that assignment 3.1 may have been a little difficult for some of you. You weren't quite sure how to access it. So I'm going to show you real quick how to access it. It's not a blank assignment. It's an assignment that you have to click on an outside link to access. When you click into assignment 3.1, you want to load assignment 3.1 in a new window. You click that, and your assignment will appear here. And you click into it, and you complete this assignment. Once you complete it, it'll grade your assignment and give you 50 points for completing the assignment. So those of you that have not completed this assignment, you can go ahead and do that, and it'll record the grade. Also, in week 4, you will have another one of these assignments, or the videos, and it's not an assignment, but the videos and the practice work will be in Foliotext. So I want you guys to get accustomed to using that, because you'll also use Foliotext in your career strategies course. So I want you to get used to using Foliotext. If you have issues, don't forget you can contact me. You shouldn't need an account, or not an account, an access code. You may have to create an account, but you shouldn't need an access code to create that account. You should just be able to put in your email address and maybe a password and get right into there. So for 3.1, if you did not have an opportunity to complete that, go ahead and get that done. Great work on your time management schedules. I saw a lot of good schedules. You guys have a lot going on, but you manage your time well. I want to ask, just for you guys to think about, what did you discover about how you spend your time? And did you see any areas that could use some improvement as far as spending your time? Those are some self-reflection questions that you might want to think about, and maybe adjust your schedules based on what you find out in your self-reflection. So let's move on to week 4, which is problem solving. This week, you're going to be using your critical thinking skills, and you're going to be solving problems. But before you do that, there is a link in week 4 that's called the end of term survey. We need your feedback on our classes. So the end of term survey tells us how well the teacher did, or how well the content in the class is. So it's very important to hear what your thoughts are about the content in the class and your instructor. So please remember to complete your end of term survey, and then get started with your work. Of course, this week we have a discussion, and as I mentioned earlier, you have lessons that are practice, and the videos, those are all located in Foliotext. When you click on those links, and you have your discussion, you talk about how you solve problems in your own personal and professional life. And then how you could get better at, or how you can improve your problem solving skills. And then activity 4, you're going to actually have a case study where you're going to give suggestions on how to solve the problem in the case study. And that's it for the week. Remember, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Just to be honest, weeks 4 and 5, people tend to get tired and they slack off. I want to encourage you guys, please do not slack off. Finish strong. You guys have 2 more weeks. You can do this. You can get your work done and complete everything. If you're missing zeros, I encourage you to go in there and make up those zeros. If you have any questions or concerns, remember to call me 214-606-6541 or text me or email me. Okay? Have a great week, guys.